Drippy has just completed the 4 steps of the water cycle and is ready to do his journey all over again. Remember, a cycle is something that repeats itself over and over again. So if you look at the very next page, you will see Drippy's journey. If you didn't already do so, you were supposed to fill in all 4 parts of Drippy's journey, all 4 parts of the water cycle. Let's see if you were able to do that by listening and reading Drippy's journey. I'm going to give us about a minute to see if we can fill it in, because I know some of us have already gotten to it. And then we're going to go over. You have about 1 minute. We see that the arrows are pointing up, which means the sun has heated up the water. And what is that called?
Evaporation.
Great. Then we see that those clouds are forming, and that means the water has cooled down through condensation. Letter C, those clouds get super heavy and it falls. What is that called?
Precipitation.
So now that we have a good understanding of what the water cycle is, I want you to look at the other packet that I gave you. Everybody turn to the other packet that I gave you. We are now done with the water cycle for today, and we are going to look at the other packet, and this is our project. We're going to be asking ourselves a simple question. Everybody track the board really quickly. All right. So, raise your hand after talking with your partner. What do you think happened to the river in this picture? Keith.
I think it evaporated.
Yeah, so when we think, our voices are now off. When we think about the water cycle that we just talked about, yeah, that water evaporated. But here's the thing. The water cycle is supposed to keep happening over and over again. So after the water evaporates, it's supposed to go through condensation. And then what is it supposed to go through?
Precipitation.
But did it do that?
No.
It didn't. So the water cycle is not happening right now in California. We have questions. Yes, Ms. Shauna?
The sky is different.
Well, yeah, that's because this was in 2011 and this was in 2014. So that means over a course of about almost 3 years, the river has dried up. So the water cycle has stopped happening for about almost 3 years at this point. Yes? Quintero? Wait, Quintero, we want to make sure everyone is paying attention and respecting you. Go ahead.
So I'm guessing that means that it doesn't rain a lot in California.
And you're guessing right. The problem and the crisis, I know we have more questions, but the problem and the crisis is that California is going through a serious drought. What does the word drought mean? Erilyn, what does the word drought mean?
The word drought means like all the water is dried up.
Right, all of the water is drying up and it's not raining a whole lot at all. California, most of California is experiencing this problem. We're going to watch a video that's going to tell us a little bit more about how big this problem actually is. Let's watch this video really quickly. Hold on. Here's what we're going to do next. We're going to do a group project so that we can tell Miss Everett's family the best way to conserve water. I want you to think about the problem here. What are some really big issues that California is facing?
A drought.
They're facing a drought. But specifically, what are the big issues here? I want you to talk to the people around you and tell them what are the big issues. What are the big issues that are going on? Wildfires. 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10. Let's take our seats. Conversations are over, Erilyn. Take a seat. So we've discussed the problem. When you get in your groups, and I'm going to put you, or you can put yourselves in groups of 3. Not yet. I will let you know when you can do it. We are going to each tell Miss Everett, each one of us, that her family can do to save some of the water so we can stop losing our water. We can conserve water. So I want you to write now in your head, or you can write it down. Find a place on this paper to write it down. We're not going to do the question. I want you to write down one way. I'm going to do the question. I want you to write down one way that you think Miss Everett's family can save water. You can even write it on the back if you want to write it on the back. Everybody is doing this right now. What is one way that Miss Everett's family can conserve water? All right. So now that we've jotted down our ideas, because I know that you can do this, I'm speaking. We should not speak while I'm speaking. Because I know that you can do this in a way that is mature, I'm going to let you choose your own group of 3. Only 3. Everybody has to be in a group. If you don't find a group of 3, I will put you in a group. But everyone has to be in a group. Find your group of 3. You have 20 seconds. 19. 18. 17, Jameer. You have a -8. 15. 16. 14.
Oh, man.
1, 2,
3, 4,
5, 6.
7, 8.
I'm going to go ahead and give Keith a lanyard. He's alert. He's ready to go, and he's silent as soon as he heard me call. I need every butt to be in a chair. Now, I would like one group to volunteer to share what methods they have come up with for Miss Everett's family. Everyone else is silent right now. Group time is over. We're going to go ahead and go with, matter of fact, everyone hold up your poster so I can see. Remember, there's an $8 lanyard on the line. We're going to go ahead and go with this group first and maybe another group after. I haven't decided. Depends on how you listen. So, right now, this group has come up. Actually, you ladies, you can just go sit back where you were. I like how Durant is already tracking them. This group in the back, ladies, you need to close the markers. It's over. You need to be tracking this group in the front. Ladies, you can stand up where you are and you can present. Each one of you can say what way you plan for Miss Everett's family to conserve water.
This way.
You can turn towards the group. All right, everybody is tracking them now. Kiara, time's up. Jamai, time is up. Okay, let's start. I like how Kennedy and Durant and Jermaine and Jameer are looking over here. You may begin. Please read.
They could save water by not using a lot of water and save water to next to if they get enough water. And one way you can conserve water is by watering mouthwash when you rinse your mouth out instead of water.
Wait, you can rinse your mouth out and do what?
You can rinse your mouth out with mouthwash instead of water.
Oh, okay. What else?
They can save water by taking shorter baths and showers.
Taking shorter baths and showers.
It's a shower and you could do it 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Cool. All right.